Okay, this is a boy named Brett. He is so manly.
I am on
And check out his helmet. It's pink. It's awesome. Okay, don't go yet.
I'm gonna die.
Okay.
I have a big feeling.
This is gonna be hilarious. Okay, let me get down here first. Okay. Ready? Go. Wow, man.
Oh yeah. Eat my breath in now. Okay.
My turn.
Wait.
My
I'm
turn.
doing one trick. Okay. Ready?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Hurry, we gotta hurry.
Okay. Wait. You gotta get the pink helmet.
No, don't. Whatever. Okay, hold it. Wait. Okay, big helmet. Yeah.
It's tiny on me, dude.
Brett. Sorry.
It's tiny. Okay.
I'm following you. Hello.
Hi.
I don't want to get hello.
Okay. Get on.
This is Adam. He has, of course, the amazing pink helmet. It's very cool. There's some really weird kids. Let's try it. Ha! You just crushed your head. Ooh, pretty stars. Hi. Bye. No, wait. Bye. This pink helmet show. Okay. Thank you for watching our show.